a very special team, Unity in Diversity.
We will be sharing how we work together as a team and brought different subjects together through our learning. Before we get into our assembly, we request you all to stand for the school anthem.
National symbols of India. Now, our friends will share about the model as and significance of the models.
The national animal of India is tiger. A tiger shows strength and courage. I traced a tiger picture on a recycling sheet and I added glitter to it.
The national bird of India is the peacock. The peacock signifies its grace, beauty, and pride. It shows nature is beautiful and we must care for it. I did the paper peacock using ice cream stick and paper. The national flower is a lotus. A lotus shows purity. I made the lotus paper craft.
Mango is called the national fruit. Mango is called the king of fruits and mango is so tasty. I made mango by using thread, glue and paper. In the paper I stick thread like a mango design. Then I saw it became like a mango.
National tree is banyan tree. The banyan tree lives for many years. It shows strength and shelter. I made the banyan tree model by fingerprint painting. I am going to talk about Indian currency. Indian currency is used for buying and selling. It has a special code on it and Gandhiji's photo. National flag of India is Tiranka. It has 3 colors. Saffron for courage, white for peace, green for growth. Blue wheel in the center has 24 lines. It's called Asoka Chakra. As part of spelling, we have learned about acrostic poems, where each line starts with a letter from a keyword. We use this poems style across to share our learning in a fun and creative way.
Many types of notes.
1 rupee coin. Numbers everywhere. Every currency is unique. You need to spend it all. I love my country. The national flag is upright. Different people live together. Independent country. Amazing nation. Lightning strikes.
Illuminates everything.
Headlight in car. Turning a night into a little sparkle.
We have also been learning about exploration text in language arts. Last week we collaborated with DD learners to read a book, take notes together and write exploration texts based on our shared understanding. We would like to share some reflection from this activity.
When I worked together with DD learners, I felt excited because they were helping me to learn.
The DDs help CCs with note-taking, identifying key features, writing drafts, auditing our work, and creating a final display of our explanation text project. We had fun learning and became best friends.
Hello, my name is Raina. I'm new to KC High and I felt happy when CC kids were understanding everything and I enjoyed this type of learning. Moving on to the next section, the KC Spotlight. Some of our learners participated in a conducted gymnastic competition on Jan 20 with IDCR. We request Swara, Smriti, Kiara, Samita and Arya to please come on stage. Swara won a platinum medal in the vault apparatus and Smriti won a platinum in vault and bronze on the floor apparatus. And Samita from grade 6 And Adya of Ellen secured a gold medal in the world apparatus. Kiara won a gold medal in the world apparatus at the IGCI gymnastics tournament. Please show your medals or certificates to all. Let's all clap for these talented children. Thank you all. Neil Summers from DD participated in the Indian Cuba Championship Tournament 2026 on the 24th of January. Neil, can we have you on stage, please? Neil was placed second and was awarded a certificate and a trophy for the same. Please show your certificate and trophy to our audience. We have a question for you, Neil. What inspired you to take up this sport? Tell us about your journey and how did you reach it at such a young age?
That's a good question. So one day I went to Bangalore and then I went out for lunch with my grandparents. My grandfather asked me to mess up a Rubik's Cube like this. So then I messed it up. Then before I finished eating, he solved it. And I was amazed. I was like, how did you do that? Then the next time he visited Chennai, he came and he taught me. From then I was practicing and then I was like reducing my time so I can get faster. And the most important was I learned new algorithms and I practiced. And if those of you who want to start Rubik's cubing, I have 2 tips for you. One is when you're doing turns very fastly, do not turn harshly. If you do it smooth, it'll go very fast. And the second is when you're doing the Rubik's Cube, you have to learn different algorithms and find which one suits you the most and you can do the fastest.
We have a challenge for you, Neil. Would you like to show off the magic video Rubik's Cube now? Neil will solve this mystery in 35 seconds. Let's cheer for him. And your time starts now. Let's cheer him. Let's cheer him. Let's cheer him. Congratulations to you, Neil. Keep shining.
Thank you so much for taking time to share your incredible achievements with us today. Let's all clap for them loudly one more time. Keeping our theme unity and diversity.
Neil finish in 38 seconds.
Keeping our theme unity and diversity in mind, we the Cool Cuts came together as one strong team. Even though many of our friends were unwell this week, we supported each other and shared the responsibilities, helping make this assembly a success.
It is time to show respect and pride. It is reason and face the national flag. Request your stand attention. School stanati, school attention.
we wrap things up, we would like to take a moment to thank the wonderful people who made this event possible. Jagananna, Madhiyanna, Srikantanna, Samanna. For the recording, Selvinna and Kodianna. For the editing of the recording and uploading it on the school website, Swayamanti. For the music today, Paul Sir, Jonathan Sir, Hari Sir. To Women Sir and Tasi Auntie for their unwavering support all throughout the year.
Just to add how we came about doing this assembly, it was a wonderful teamwork by the CC. Please, a round of applause for our CC kids. They all stood up in the last minute and they all took responsibilities. Amazing. So hats off to our CC kids.